Hello World on Cosas Peru and Cinema Telemetro online news both saying that one more commitment is added to 2025. Bradley Cooper has proposed to Gigi Hadid according to Daily Mail, despite being a modern couple and both having children from previous relationships. The actor sought approval of a key figure in his future wife like his mother Yolanda Hadid. I wanted her to know how serious relationship is and how she planned to start a family with her in New York. He secured a nearby source, although apparently the proposal was no surprise to the supermodel who also previously spoke to her parents before taking the plunge. His mother agrees, so she didn't hesitate much. But Gigi telling her dad that she wants to marry Bradley is a big step. It's much more official, they added. Beautiful day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.